In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change contact details in Xero quickly and correctly. Whether you need to update a customer's email address, fix a supplier's phone number, or change payment terms, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Keeping your contact details accurate in Xero is extremely important because it ensures invoices, bills, and important communications go to the right place. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. Click on Contacts. From the drop-down menu, select All Contacts. Depending on your needs, you can also choose customers or suppliers specifically, but all contacts will show you everyone in your system. Once you're on the Contacts page, you'll see a search bar at the top. This makes it easy to find the exact contact you want to update. Type in the name of the customer or supplier whose details need to be changed. As you type, Xero will filter the list automatically. When you see the correct contact appear, click on their name to open their profile. Now you'll be inside the Contacts Details page. Here you can review all the existing information, including their name, email address, phone number, physical address, tax information, and payment terms. To make changes, go to the top right-hand corner of the screen and click the Edit button. This will switch the profile into editing mode so you can update the information. You can now modify any of the available fields. For example, if the contact has a new email address, simply delete the old one and type in the new email. If their phone number has changed, update it in the phone field. You can also adjust their physical or postal address if they've moved offices. If you need to update financial details, you can edit their tax number to ensure compliance and accurate reporting. You can also change their default payment terms. For instance, if a customer previously had 7-day payment terms and you've agreed to 14 or 30 days instead, you can update that here. This ensures that future invoices automatically reflect the correct due dates. Take a moment to carefully review all the changes you've made. Accuracy is key, especially when updating tax numbers, billing emails, or payment terms, because these directly affect invoicing and financial records. Once you're satisfied with the updates, click the Save button. Xero will immediately apply the changes to the contact's profile. Any future invoices, quotes, purchase orders, or bills created for this contact will now use the updated details automatically. It's important to note that updating a contact's details will not retroactively change information on past invoices or bills that have already been issued. Those documents will remain as they were originally created. The changes will apply moving forward. And that's it. That's how you change contact details in Xero. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Go to Contacts, open the contact, click Edit, update the necessary fields, and click Save. Keeping your contact information up to date helps prevent payment delays, failed email deliveries, and administrative errors. It's a small task that makes a big difference in maintaining clean and professional financial records. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.